I program in Africa. So then we have a newspaper for optician in Denmark, and there was a lady who had been in Senegal and find a Senegalese man and go to Senegal and live, and then she took 2 youth classes from Denmark to Senegal, and all was crazy about these 2 classes. Then she found out in our magazine and asked about somebody who wants to go to Africa and help, and I love to help. So I was the first one, and I started in Senegal for 25 years ago. So I have been in Africa 56 times in the same mission in different countries. Senegal, Gambia, Ghana, South Africa, Zambia, Mozambique.
So where are you in Zimbabwe?
I'm in Zimbabwe now. I've been here 20 times. I go around and make eye screening and see around 200 every day and give out around 100 classes free every day. And all is free what I'm doing.
Ndauya pano kuti ndizotsvaga rubatsiro rwemaspectacles maziswangu akasinganyatsoona zvakanaka kubudikidza nekushayiwa mari yekutenga maspectacles akakanza anoita 145. Ndaona kubata kwamwari kuti tazokumawana nefree price. Tapiwa mapachena atina kubhadhariswaba tagouteswa kusitinwa maziso tikaonekwa tikapiwa maspectacles pachena.
Our main arm as Lions is to address issues of education, environment, and vision. Today we are addressing the issues of vision, and we are quite fortunate that as Lions we managed to connect with a well-wisher, a man with a big heart from Denmark, Dr. Finn, who is going through the processes of screening eyes. The activity is being done for free. No one is paying anything. And he screen and satisfy himself that a particular beneficiary needs glasses. He is dispensing those glasses for free. We are quite excited about it. We started the whole thing yesterday, and about 200 persons went through the process, and they were beneficiaries to free glasses. You want to see the joy, the hope being restored to other beneficiaries. We're quite thrilled, excited that at least we are able to restore confidence and hope in other people's lives. It is a passion of Lions Club International, Lions Mutare Specialist Club, to ensure that we become of purpose to our community. Let me disclose to you that we've been supported by Honorable Mufumi. He has been able to come up in support of this program, and we are quite excited. That support to us has come just in time.
This time when we project atuda kuita tina mabhera tinayo ehembe tuda kwenda nazvo kucha tinofa erera nechembere dzedu tichaedza zvakare kubira Dr. Finn atisiro marital classes tikwanisa kukodza muchembere tisinokwanisa kuyafuka.
Ini ndinoitwa kansela tichaenzana maita kansela weWard 3 Mutare Central Sakubva munomu kutenda zvakanyanya neprogramu yaitwa iyi ipurogiramu yakatikoshera senharaunda yedu, nekuti pano ndaona pabatsirwa vanhu vakawandisa stereo, vauya kuzochekwa mabp, vauya kuzochekwa shuga, vauya kuzotariswa maziso. Saka chinhu chatibatsira senharaunda, secommunity, kungoti chinhu ichi dai changoramba chichingoitwa nguva nenguva kuti vagari vedu, macitizens edu abatsirike.
I work with Zimbabwe Diabetes Association as an ambassador. So Mutare Vocational Training Centre in Sakubva, where we are saying people are being screened for eyesight. At the same time, it's also says ZDA, Zimbabwe Diabetes Association. Tiripo kupa free screenings for diabetes. Okay. Tiriko zvakare kupa screenings for BP. Why tiri kupa service aya? Ndezvekuti imwe issue iri konzera eyesight problem inyaya yekuti people vari kudya zvidyiwa zvinotapira, vari kuita maBP avanawo. Saka free screening iri kubatsira vanhu ava nenyaya yekuti tikuziva kuti vanhu mari iri kushayika. That's why tabatsira vanhu ava. And vanokwanisa kuda kuzoitwawo zvakare screenings diabetes and BP, vanokwanisa zvakare kuuya offices ari ku Methodist headquarters in town.